Hello and welcome to Aspen 94 Insights. My name is Kelly Wilson and I'm a Zoho consultant here at Aspen 94. And today I'm excited to announce Zoho CRM has introduced meaningful enhancements to the record approval experience. These updates focus on making approvals faster to process, easier to manage, and more aligned with real-world business roles. Today I'll quickly walk you through what's changed and why it matters. Approvals can now be handled in bulk rather than one at a time. Users can filter and organize requests more efficiently, helping them focus on what requires attention. The updated interface also provides a clearer workspace, reducing visual clutter when reviewing requests. Administrators now have expanded control. They can step in and reassign pending approvals when needed. This prevents delays caused by absences or workload imbalance. Teams gain more continuity, especially during high-volume sales cycles. Approval comments can now be stored directly on the record, making them usable in reporting and workflow automation. In addition, approvals can dynamically route to users based on lookup fields within the record. This allows approval processes to reflect how teams actually operate. So let's dive into a demo to show these new features. Here I'm logged in as one of my manager users and have navigated to the My Jobs area and am in the Approvals tab at the top. This page has had a very significant overhaul, which makes it more similar to list views in other modules. And now in the top right, you can control the appearance of this list view, including changing columns, records per page, and text wrapping. The controls to approve or reject records are now on the left-hand side, with a quick pick list to update one record at a time. There is also a new option to delegate a record to someone else. I'm going to approve this particular record. And when I select Approve, I get a pop-up where I can enter notes for why. There is now a new checkbox feature here to save the comment as a note on the quote record. With the addition of filters here, I can find specific types of records. Then by selecting some of those records in the list view, I can use buttons to mass approve, reject, or delegate to another manager. Here I'm delegating all my product approvals to a different manager. In My Jobs, we now have the visibility into others' approvals, including the ability to delegate on their behalf. For example, if this user was out of the office, I could reassign some of the approvals back to myself or to another manager. You've seen now how to delegate approvals manually. However, it would be ideal to reduce delegation with an automation to assign it to the correct person initially. We can do this now using user lookup fields on a record. Here I'm on a quote record in my system. I have a user lookup field for the event coordinator. I have several coordinators, so who is assigned to which event varies. In this case, my process sends the approval request to the coordinator whenever the guest count exceeds 15. So Jane here will get assigned to the approval automatically, eliminating the reassignment bottleneck. In the past, to do this, you would often have to set up multiple approval processes to cover each potential scenario. These updates allow for faster approval processes and improved user experience and better alignment with your internal workflows, while also maintaining the quick turnarounds your customers expect. If you have any questions about the latest updates to the record approval process or would like help getting access to these new features, please reach out to schedule a free consultation with one of our experts. Please like and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our insights.